You want to die for this planet? Fine! What's 17 more years? I can always start again. Make another kid. Why did you make me do this? You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die. Think, Mark! You'll outlast every fragile, insignificant being on this planet.
That's no special effect. Indeed, Johnny Cage.
What is it?
You know, Satoru, I've been meaning to say this for a while. I think you should really stop being so full of yourself.
Huh? Nice catch. That was a close one.
Wonderful. You're Satoru Gojo, right? You're famous. I hear you're strong. Let me find out if the rumors are true.
Sure, I'm game. But let's set some rules.
Rules?
You see, I don't want to get yelled at for going overboard. So if you cry and apologize, then I won't kill you.
I'm taking a puff. I'm starting to feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know when I stay out of town. I get dough when I stay out of town. 500 shots, I got 500 rounds. 500 plus, I got 500 pounds. Yeah, I'm trusting on a toe. Honestly,
and what about MJ? You could have killed him. You almost killed him, man. What are you doing? You're in the way, Miles. Damn it! If they harmed a hair on her head, I swear!
Second pirate, eh?
What?
Nami isn't a background character like you. It's gonna take more than one sorry little bazooka attack to defeat her.
Enough, this blood, I'm taking a puff. It start to feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know when I stay out of town. I get dough when I stay out of town. 500 shots, I got 500 rounds.
We're going to heal everyone.
Good hair. Tall.
3 to 4, it's still good.
Faucet. She'd crank up the Jonas Brothers. She'd hump a soldier boy. She'd raw dog that pillow till she saw God. It was pretty romantic.
Hell yeah, brother.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh yeah, great speech! Just what we wanted from the famous one-for-all successor! Real talk. Are you able to smile right now? Come on, go ahead and show us!
In order to smile, for everyone to live in peace, I had to go. I'm sorry. Everyone get out of my way!
You're gonna have to make us, you busted ass All Might wannabe!
We had a feeling that's what you were going to say. Let's do this, class!
You don't really think that you were gonna get through this without being punished now, did you? I'm gonna beat the holy hell out of one of you.
Okay, there! Mission is like a champ! No exceptions! You just took a hell of a hit! And hit his gross as shit!
But you switching up like that, nigga. Damn. Niggas using me for benefits, don't give a damn. I be getting to the green like fucking Sammy Ball. Lost his brother to the gun, he makes sure his don't jam.
Remember,
Special, I might buy
no rushing.
Listen, these niggas like Uncle Sam, but I get the green like a Foley Clover. I'm top of my class, I'm over this nigga, but you already know that bitch, I'm too goated. I feel like I'm it, I feel like I'm Pennywise, I get a hit of this gas and I'm floating. I'm fucking this bitch and she gagging and choking. You hit from the game, bitch, you flagging and towing. I'm double SG Dragon Ball, I'm going. I hit from the back with no hands, I'ma go in.
That ain't me.
That wasn't you.
They say it's me, but that ain't me. That guy's gone. He's dead.
Eugene. Fall asleep.
I'm with the bad look, you don't get no shoots. For that bitch and for that kid, they boots. Sit and get my money, so that's all, yeah. Been so much, I got booming with y'all. Ever winning any rappers, let it sound.
I'm a fire guy. All they said is put in with the grease, I'm serving fire guys. You got no right now, got no pay, you can't even fuck with us, huh? You got your story, you got no pay, you can't even fuck with us, huh? There's some haters that ain't fucking with the mob, huh? You should put that in with me, that's not my job, nah. I'm up and do a jump and do a jump, when you pull up with the blip, yeah, we gon' spread y'all. Pockets up below the circle one, huh? How you know about all this shit, man, you a fucking spot. We are monetized, baby, got a feeling. You know your thought she suckin' dick, she break the million.
Misery kid is my type of enhancements. I don't do leases, I only finance it. Neighbor wants to send me $2 million for advance. Blowing this money, do that with a passion. Go in the trap, race the bitch and I crash it. Ain't pay for shit by my own, I'm a savage. Ain't tryna beef, let you drop in the edit. If from the solid, she callin' me daddy. Ain't taking time, she think I'm romantic.
Thought it's okay, let me know. He ain't slick, he think that he low. Better get out the way before I got a throw. Bad bitch shake all hits on the low. That's not the blue with a rock ain't close. Did he can't bring on a shot to the throat.
Back in Queens, I had hoes blowing me on the reg. Then I started hanging out with you two. Zero.
Why did you make me do this? You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die. Think!
They try to run my house. I'm out of spare son. Yeah, they right in my pack.
You think you're untouchable? I'm here to shatter your illusions.
Is it more sexist to not hit you? I mean, the line gets real blurry.
Flex up, 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 flex up. These up, these up, these up, these up.
It's so amazing. You don't get no fucking money. You don't get no fucking fun. I don't give a fuck about it. All this shit can really change. I ain't even say all nothing. Now I put it in a plate. Now my diamonds really bright.
Jujutsu Kaisen Season 2. Pretty fucking cool. I love Toji. Toji's a badass dude.
Can't see that, say that skinny black way. Got that coin on
Lives flashing before your eyes. Pick it up. Pick it up.
They try to run my house.
Rise to the galaxy of the loathsome resistance. All remaining systems will bow to the First Order and will remember this as the last day of the Republic.
How many minutes have to pass before we can be heroes?
Why fight a hopeless battle trying to defy your destiny?
Stupid bitch, check the stats, say this shit
Cause
back.
people call me a failure.
Tiger Blue, go to the moon.
I'll prove them wrong.
Go to the moon. Tiger Blue, go to the moon. Enemy don't do shrooms. Water the paddock, I'm in the fuck now. That pink body, I don't rock cat. Blip, 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 blip,
As the battle starts between the strongest sorcerer in history against the strongest sorcerer of today, with multiple domain clashes occurring between both sides, Satoru Gojo wins.
I've been kinda do that, give you money to fuck you up. I've been kinda do that, slime, yeah, I can slime you over. I'm a real devil, that's a real nigga, that's a real devil. They become
She gonna suck my dick while it's sweaty.
I've always hated you.
Hey,
I'm
Super Sick.
and I'm going
You won't store if I press a boy, you won't piss if I squeeze a boy, you ain't suing while you're flexing, boy, niggas hoes, they some pussy boys,
They don't want to hurt anyone. It's him. He influences them somehow. I tried to warn you, but it's too late now. He knows that you're looking for him.
You need to tell me who he is.
His name is William Afton. I always come back.
What you want from me? Yeah, what you want? What you want from me? Yeah, I took a break, but I'm back on my boot. Ain't nobody with your son. Tell me who the fuck gon' ball out. Tell me who gon' win it out. I said whatever. I'm having my motion in you. I'm having my motion in you.
Behold the ultimate power.
I'm having my motion in you. Bitch, I'm having my motion in you. I got this bitch on dog food.
Now I'll show you.
And from J bullets, they going through trees. Bullets inside this 100 degrees. Brothers to fuckers, I'm sleeping on leash. Bitch, I ain't falling off, I ain't no leaf. You can play all you want.
I always come back.
So powerful you are. I can't roll with none of these lanes, they were fucking lies.
These bitches fuck me cause they know my cutty. I'm smoking dope like a Kid Cudi. I fuck your bitch and I make her get ready.
This is perfect. First I killed your brother, now I killed you. Symmetry, my friend.
Who the hell?
I pay the cost be what it be. She got another motherfucking E. Money so all this a fucking antique. Yeah, blue hunters now got no crease. I know you be sliding on this bitch with ease. I ain't stopping till them racks increase. Look, right now I'm hotter than motherfucking grease. I'm a stand tall nigga 10 feet deep. Big 223 with a lemon squeeze. Nigga robbing shit, this robbing James. Sipping on dirty, but this shit clean.
Take that off. What are you? Genius, billionaire, playboy.
Put it on, it's yeah. Red bottom shoes, but he think that Christian Lou. Yeah, that be my baby, that bitch don't need no loot. Kick up, take a perk, I say to the S, that's what I do. Yeah, every month I feel in selling the air with Terry Crews. I just crack the fuck.
I've been doing this shit for so long, I done learned everything. You know, I'm going out to Ella. I spent a weekend at Walmart, go back to Ella. Yeah, I got some points on the white, some points on the white, so I'm going back to Ella. I got the sun.
What do you say you and I get caught?
Yeah, I ain't tried once. They say, how you so fine, 'cause I ain't tried once. Got the track off in the back, I heard it once. I told way too many things, I think I died once. Got the glass in that set, I
Took a turn and said I took a crime. I've been saying,
All I want is to save you. I'm the hero. I don't get sick.
they were fucking lies.
These bitches fuck me cause they know my cutty. I'm smoking dope like a Kid Cudi. I fuck your bitch and I make her get ready. I got rich.
I signed for a couple million. You only touch 100,000.
Real heroes don't use drugs.
taking drugs is uncool, I'm the most uncool motherfucker on the planet.
I say whatever I want. I do whatever I want. I'm kind of
What the hell are you talking about?
Turns out you were radicalized by the Russians.
Fuck you. I'm no godless, dickless commie. I fought the Star Spangled Banner.
Pretty fucking weird, dude.
Yeah? Knock, knock. Who's there? Go fuck your face.
Try responding to this. Don't assume I'm going to fit neatly into your little strategy. Okay. That was quick. Means keeping the same distance. In that case, I'll ignore it. Come on, Isiki. Read the situation. So that I can score a goal. Redraw the future of the field in an instant. Go directly behind me. That'll do nicely. He caught up? Even though it was a perfect pass, he was still able to read the play. If that's the case, I'll shoot! Gotcha! First I'll control it, and then... use my two-stage fake volley!
Boom, I mean, them slaves, man. I already know the way, baby, man. Free the team, free DOA, free 308, we outside, man. Get it bound, nigga. All Peter God's free the gods, nigga. Sometimes, damn. When I'm smoking on yellow, I pop me a Cosby. Shit a hottie, bust it to Lottie. Too deep, I be with Yagi. We spin a Harlem like it's a hobby. Dog got the Gaki, beat him like Rocky. Free Obby, that nigga Ali. Like where your bros at, them niggas kids. Smoke G-pop, she got a cake. Oh, they think they lit, cause they wanna dance. Everything cake, we don't do no clip.
Lucky me! First I killed your brother, now I killed you.
Who the hell?
The little ones tell me you have a sister.
I always come back.
Your death will be in vain, and I like that.
Chanting a little prayer before you die.
How dare you! How dare you take a warrior like my father!
I got to beat for many years. I love my diamonds and plentiful birds. I be throwing something in the city of the heart.
They be like, Quinn, why you never come back to the trenches? Cause bitch, I don't gotta go back to the trenches. Go ask all the ops if I rap when I'm living. Shoebox full of knots, I'ma stack to the ceiling. Heard she wanna fuck me, cause I heard that a nigga ain't fucked up a sack in a minute. But these bitches know that Lil Quinn tryna fuck, then he finish on gain, and it's back to the spinach. Ayy, and I'm out like a Dennis, pop out from his ass, we clapping the winners. Feel like a scrimmage, don't come with no smoke, we gon' wrap them like Christmas. Ayy, on game, all my young niggas with it, they told me quit staining, young nigga, you gifted. Ayy, I'm a box before I pop me a nigga, you not, cause you niggas is bitches. Don't fuck with no text, boy.
My grandma like Jesus, please. Yeah, I got earth tone hoes.
You know what this motherfucker look like, low-key?
Yeah, say niggas hold they breath, I don't even wanna see. Damn, I done switched up my swag and I hide in my bed, no these niggas ain't on that. Yeah, damn, I can't do it, I'm fly, I said that, but you can't get this shit on the Kodak. That's the thought, bro, I already know that. She with me, said that little shit, throw that. Put that stock on the stick, but don't blow that. What you make it a month, I go blow that. Fill up here and I put it. take up on my neck. Like check it in the hit. I signed for it. We got blood, pull up beef. We got sticks, pull up beef. We got blood, pull up beef. We got sticks, pull up beef. We got wood. I always come back. We got blood, pull up beef. We got sticks, pull up beef. We got blood, pull up beef. We got sticks, pull up beef. I'm in the jail and pull up beef. I'm in the talking, bitch. I'm in the lamb. I got my boy in the jail. I'm rocking my tailor more. I got diamonds on my head. She got diamonds on her toe.
You are a true warrior. Your female doubt. I regret that the spirits of battle must have such an inglorious ending.
Alright chaps, we trained for this, you know what to do. Complete the mission.
I'm the first one that's gonna turn up the motherfucking that bitch in her eyes. Yeah, I got the motherfucking Glock on me, yeah. I got that 40 like what? Yeah, I don't even know what these niggas, mask on my face like I rock. Yeah, niggas they talking that shit, but none of these niggas they rock.
Before I pull up, answer my question. How did I do some corny shit? Please explain it to me. This is what I'm saying. My bad man. Pull up. We're going to go outside. Come on.
I put this nigga on my neck. Life tricky in the hit. I signed for a couple million. You only touch $100. Ain't nobody feeling style. Ain't nobody want your son. Tell me who the fuck gon' fall off. Tell me who gon' make it out.
I'm blacked out, he won't know what hit him. There's only what happened. Had it for my brother, switch up on me. Yeah, why you capping? We fucked up, cause I'm rich now. I don't give a fuck what happened. All my brother really rockin' me, y'all. We just fuck, we just rapping. I don't wanna hear about that shit you say that shit just kept you. I'm too high, I don't care what happened.
Become a new generation of heroes. But in time, evil returns. An evil called Ultron.
That's why you ruined my life. Because you couldn't be me?
I became better than you! I am the one thing you cannot stop, Flash.
No.
Come my twist on the bunch. Cause your money got take like We on the side of the punch. Till sleeping at the house, son.
Type of nigga stand on business, nigga. One man arm and get 50, nigga. Let's go do that. I stand on business, nigga.
Jesse McCrae. Been a while. You promised you'd write.
Well, Ash. I've been kind of busy.